alignment bar to mount a set of standard rings on a right scope true alignment bar. And in a moment we're going to take pointing out a few of the final changes that have been made. Put the pointer on the center of the barrel. You can go all the way to make it safe so it's not so sharp and you for better gripping, as it takes about 20 back end for centering either on the bolt plug. Scope true alignment bar is 18 inches and when the ring is installed, that pointer will sight and the pointer on the bar and showing you the
and here's a view from above.
In a different view how that scope true alignment bar is within both rings. Retreating the left or right vintage look at for the final adjustments. We'll watch your position and you'll note how the rear closer view of that pointer on the center of the barrel. 1 1/4 to 1.5 inches. Now it's a final view at the top here, the scope true alignment bar. Designed for the professional gunsmith